Are you dealing with 404 errors on your website? Whether you're a site owner or a visitor, encountering a 404 page can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent and fix 404 errors quickly and easily. If you need professional help, you can hire me through my Upwork profile or contact me via webcitylab.com. Let's dive in. So what is a 404 error? A 404 error happens when someone tries to access a page on your website that doesn't exist. This can occur due to broken links, deleted or moved pages, typos in URLs, issues with URL redirection. The first step to fixing 404 errors is identifying them. Here's how you can do it. 1. Use Google Search Console to find crawl errors. Log in and navigate to the Coverage or Crawl Errors section to see pages returning 404 errors. 2. Check your website analytics for pages with high exit rates or bounce rates. 3. Use online tools like Broken Link Checker to scan your site for broken links. Once you've identified the broken links, fix them. Update the links to point to the correct page. If the page no longer exists, redirect the link to a relevant page using a 301 redirect. In WordPress, you can use a plugin like Redirection or modify your .ht access file to set up redirects. A custom 404 page can help keep visitors on your site even if they encounter an error. Include a friendly message explaining the error, a search bar or links to popular pages on your site, a call to action to guide users back to your home page. To prevent future 404 errors, use Google Search Console regularly to monitor your site. Implement proper URL structure and avoid unnecessary changes to URLs. Set up automatic redirects if you move or delete pages. Test your website periodically using tools like Screaming Frog or Ahrefs. If these steps seem overwhelming or you're unsure how to proceed, I'm here to help. You can hire me via my Upwork profile or reach out directly at webcitylab@gmail.com. Let's work together to make your website error-free. I hope this guide helps you fix and prevent 404 errors on your site. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more web development tips, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. See you next time.